Here's a great buy on a really nice low mileage midsize SUV. This is Jeff with Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee, Alabama. Today I'd like to show you this 2023 Nissan Rogue SV. Your SV gives you the most bang for the buck in the lineup. Around back, rear park assist sensors, chrome bumper protector, lots of cargo room, a reversible cargo mat, backup camera, rear wiper, rear spoiler, 18-inch alloy wheels with a brand new set of tires. Ample room for your rear seat passengers. They also have access to rear heating and air vents and dual USB charging ports located in the back of the center console. It's Scarlet Ember Tri-Coat with charcoal interior. Factory tinted windows, color keyed door handles, color keyed mirror caps, LED daytime running lights, LED headlights, forward collision sensor integrated right into the middle of the grille. It's equipped with passive keyless entry, bucket seats, power seat, embroidered floor mats, power windows, power mirrors, power locks, blind spot monitor located in your rear view mirror that also comes with rear cross traffic alert. Automatic headlights, auto dimming high beam headlights, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. In the wheel, you've got paddle shifters, audio controls, trip computer functions, Bluetooth, and intelligent cruise control. Only 20,000 well cared for, one owner miles. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, backup camera, dual zone climate control, push button start, USB ports, a 12-volt outlet, console shifter, electronic parking brake, keyless entry key fob including remote start, factory owner's manual, and Carfax vehicle history report. If you'd like to know more about this 2023 Nissan Rogue SV, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.